Welcome back, everyone. Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use lists. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete everything, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to also delete this paragraph here. Okay, so we can go ahead and just look at the code that we're going to that I'm going to show you here. So the one thing that we need to do here is set up our first tag, and in this case I'm going to set it up as an unordered list. Okay. And I'll push it down a bit here, and I'll close the tag off here. Now, if you type something in here, nothing ends up happening. Although you see it is a little bit indented. So if I type in the same thing here, just like this, you can see that's indented. Or if I wanted to put that in a paragraph tag, right, just like this, you can see that it isn't indented. So if you go ahead and you even want to put the paragraph tag within the unordered list, you're more than welcome to do that. However, what you do need in the unordered list is you need something called a list item, and that's just putting li, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to close that off right here. Okay, and you can see that a little circle comes up, and you can just type in whatever you want. We're just going to say item. Okay. Now, if we go ahead and copy and paste that a few times, you can see that more and more list items come up. It's pretty simple. And that's essentially what an unordered list is. It's just, you see that there's no order to this. It doesn't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. It just goes, bullets, and you can actually change the bullets to squares with the style tag. But anyway, this is an unordered list, and you can see that that's all it is. Now, let's go ahead and let's make an ordered list. Okay, it's pretty simple. It's the exact same thing. In fact, watch this. We're going to say ordered list, and of course we need to close that off. So we got ordered list. And again, with ordered lists, guess what? We have a list item, and it's this exact same tag. Okay, and you can see that here. If I copy and paste this a few times, you can see that it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so on. So, what happens if you put a list item outside? Well, it works, but it doesn't indent it. And if you have a paragraph here, so if you see paragraph and you say, this is a paragraph, simple enough. All right, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy the text in here. I'm just going to go ahead, copy and paste that a whole bunch of times. There we go. So this is a paragraph. And if we go ahead and we put in a list item here, so I'll just again copy and paste this in here. Okay, you can see that it's not indented, and it doesn't look very good. Okay, so in theory you can have the list items there, but it's more or less how your brain interprets this information and how it reads. This looks a lot better when it's indented. Okay, and if I copy this paragraph tag here, just so that I can see this, how the text works, this just looks a lot better, and you'll find that it looks a lot better as well. Okay, so essentially, that's what ordered lists and unordered lists are. All right, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.